Keppel Pacific Oak US REIT announced their full-year results for 2021 on January 27, 2022. The stock price has been on the downtrend after that and have dropped 7.7% since then. Is it a good time to buy this REIT now? My view is yes, as the fundamentals looked strong. Let's take a deeper look. I will be talking about Keppel Pacific Oak US REIT, or KOR in short, with stock code CMOU. As always, this is not investment advice. The 5 parameters of KOR are shown. All the parameters met my personal preference. In my opinion, that's great. I am okay with the average cost of debt to be at 2.8%, but some investors might prefer the average cost of debt to be lower. Despite the COVID situation forcing people to work from home in the past few years, the DPU is rising. This shows that KOR is a well-managed REIT. KOR's non-current debt hedged to fixed rate is 83.4%. It also has a good adjusted debt maturity profile, which sees 21.9% of their debts maturing in the next 2 years. With the rising interest rates in mind, it will be better for REITs to have fixed-rate debts and low percentage of debts maturing in the next few years. The debt, in my opinion, is well managed to a certain extent. KOR also demonstrates that they have steady income with visible organic growth. There's a 6% positive rental reversion for FY 2021. There's also a built-in average portfolio annual rental escalation of about 2.4%. In-place rents are about 4.9% below asking rents, hence, there are organic growth opportunities. KOR has a low tenant concentration risk, with the top 10 tenants contributing only 22.6% of cash rental income. The top tenant contributes to less than 4% of the cash rental income. This is very attractive to me, as KOR will be affected minimally in the event that any one tenant decided to stop renting. Do subscribe, like and turn on the notifications if you enjoyed the content. Thank you. So far, it seems that KOR is the perfect REIT. However, there is one point I don't like, which is the sponsor's low percentage of stake in KOR. The sponsors are more likely to act in the interests of the REIT if they hold higher percentage of shares. The sponsors, Keppel Capital and KPA, each hold a deemed interest of 7.1% in KOR. However, we need to bear in mind that unit holding in KOR is subjected to an ownership restriction of 9.8% of the total units outstanding. So at most, the sponsors can each increase their deemed interest in KOR by 2.7% more. This is a screenshot from Manulife US REIT, another U.S. office REIT. It states that in order to be exempted from withholding tax, the sponsor needs to hold less than 9.8% of the outstanding units. This might explain why Keppel Capital and KPA is holding less than 9.8% of the outstanding units each. Next, is the technical analysis of KOR. The share price is sideways since 2019. The orange and blue horizontal support zone is shown. We are using technical analysis to find a point of entry for investment here. It seems that the share price is in consolidation now at the orange support zone. I will start buying at the price range of 71.5 and 73 cents. If the share price drop after consolidation, I will collect more at the price range of 67.5 to 69 cents zone. To summarize, what I like, dislike and things to take note about Keppel Pacific Oak US REIT is shown below. Please pause the video here if you want to take some time to recap. In conclusion, I will be collecting KOR in 2 price range. The first buy will be at the support zone of 0.715 to 0.73. The second buy will be at the support zone of 0.675 to 0.69. This is a list of reference I have used to create this video. Do subscribe and check out my other videos. Have a great day ahead.